Besides, he's a dick.
He thinks he's black. I mean, King Kong. Wait, what's it?
Black King Kong.
Everybody's wearing black.
Oh yeah.
You got black shoes?
Yeah, you got black shoes. You
And
can.
shorts.
And shorts, shut the hell up.
Come here, Paul.
There, Keith.
Oh, God.
Haha. Whatever.
Hey, climb up without pulling.
Oh.
Hey, no. My hat.
My hand.
Alright. You just broke the rules.
You can do it.
I'm going in.
He gonna go hard. Straight down.
Oh, fuck. I heard you a little bit.
Oh my god.
Too bad there's not something right there where it looks like,
Go down.
Oh my god.
It's like whack-a-mole.
Oh.
Oh! Have you seen a video where the dude's in a porta john? Like he's inside of it?
No.
And the guy, oh god, I'm busy. Oh fuck.
Are you okay? Seriously? Dude, you alright? I think your phone's alright.
Mr. Unknown.
Yeah.